Are you in the pharmaceutical industry and struggling with complex construction projects? Do you find it challenging to manage timelines, budgets, and compliance all at once? Introducing our turnkey solution for pharma industries. We specialize in providing comprehensive services that streamline the entire construction process, from initial design to final execution. Our expert team understands the unique requirements of the pharmaceutical sector, ensuring that every project meets stringent regulatory standards while staying on schedule and within budget. With our turnkey solution, you can focus on what you do best, developing life-saving medications, while we handle the complexities of construction. We take care of everything, including project management, quality assurance, and compliance checks. Imagine a construction process that is not only efficient but also tailored specifically to your needs. With our solution, you'll experience reduced stress, faster project completion, and peace of mind knowing that your facility is built to the highest standards. Take the first step towards a hassle-free construction experience. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.